Okay, so welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are going to be making our Friday meal. We are going to be making beef wraps today. Micaela will be making the tortillas and she'll take you through step by step on how she does it with the measurements of everything she uses. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that this self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
Will your support if we know we cannot achieve these goals? So this is 500 grams of country.
This is 350.
Ja, okay. Julle stres my. Okay. So this is 350 grams of flour that I'm gonna put in. Try to get it in the sieve. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt, so if you just get my tablespoons. Okay, so then we add 1 teaspoon of salt, then 2 tablespoons of oil, okay, so then you put 2 tablespoons. Tablespoons of oil. Okay. For the oil that we're using lard. I think I'm saying it right. So now I'm just adding 200 ml of hot water. It should be hot apparently. And then we have to mix it. Okay, so before I put this on the table and neat, I'm first gonna clean the table. Can't work in a dirty kitchen. Okay, so after you mix it, you have to knead for 3 minutes. Just adding a little bit more water. So after you knead it, you have to let it rest for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna get the clean wrap to cover it. Okay, so now you let it rest for 5 minutes.
Okay, so while we're waiting for Micaela's tortillas, I'm going to fry the veggies. Okay, good, eventually. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of lard in. Oops, I think you guys nearly went flying. There you go. I'm just going to add some coarse black pepper and some salt. We don't want to fry it too much because you don't want your veggies to go all soggy. And they basically just need to be warmed through. Okay, so there's the veggies done so long.
Okay, so I was wrong. It should rest for 15 minutes and not 5. My bad. So I'm just gonna let it rest for another 10 minutes.
Okay, so the veggies are done. And now we're just gonna warm up the meat that we had previously made. And just add a little bit more spice or so. So I'm just adding a little bit more pepper, some coarse chili, some savory spiced aromat, and then just a little bit of hot chutney. Okay, so we're just going to let this warm up, and then I'll see you again when we make the wraps. Okay.
So after the 15 minutes, we are going to cut them into 12 equal parts. I just like to weigh them to make sure it's equal, but you can also cut it with just the eye, knead it with just the eye. Okay, so while my mother's gonna roll it out flat, I'm gonna fry.
Put them on the skillet.
I'm gonna cook them on the skillet.
Okay, so you try and round them out the best you can, quite thin.
If I put that on the skillet, it should be 30 seconds on each side. Then you're going to put it on a plate. Put hot water on the edges so it doesn't dry out or get too hard to form. You also cover it with plastic. Okay, so as you cook it, you'll see bubbles forming on top. It's fine. It happens. So just check under if it's starting to go brown, goldish, which is not now. So you're just gonna leave it for a little while. Well, another while, maybe. Okay, so it looks like this, more or less, it's fine.
More or less, yeah, it's good.
It's good to go. So then you just put it on the plate and you're looking at my hand. Wait. Okay, so you just add on the edges a little bit of hot water. And then you cover it again. Okay, so we're on our second last one, finally. Take like 3 hours joking. Dit dan makkelijk niet kos nie. So of course I'm just gonna wet this.
Okay, so everything's been made, heated, and now we're just gonna do the wraps. We've got some homemade pasta sauce that we'll be using as well. Just get it open. Lucas is going to be having veggies on his today. So we'll just add the veggies, the meat, and we'll just roll it. We're going to put his separately. Okay, then I just realized I didn't put cheese in this one. So we'll just open it up again. Put some cheese in and seal it again, like so. And this one gets some cheese.
You miss.
Eh?
You miss.
We'll mix. Just like that. Roll it over. And like that, let's add some more pasta sauce on top. So, extra cheese. Like so. And this will then go into the stove oven and wait until the cheese has melted and it's warmed through again. Okay, and then the last one, just put cheese over. And we'll see you again for the plating up once everything is done. Okay, so we've just taken it out of the oven.